Indeed, we've got the Minister of Public Enterprises, Malus Gigaba. Minister, I saw you smiling as we were coming off the steps of Parliament. That suggests to me that you liked what you had. Did you get all what you wanted from the Minister?
Well, the budget speaks to growth and speaks to growth, job creation and infrastructure development. So it was a good budget. We got what we wanted. We gave what we had to give to the national fiscus. I think that our state-owned companies have done a great job to be able to make the contribution they've made to the announcements that the minister was making here this afternoon. I'm also happy about the allocation to Denel for its recap and other programs, in particular Denel Sub Aerostructures, because that's going to help the company to turn it around and continue to refocus it on growth and development.
Yeah, but Minister, the key, I suppose, is the money that will be spent by some of the big state-owned enterprises, such as Eskom, such as Transnet. I mean, we're talking hundreds of billions of rand here. And the key concern for people is that that money is invested wisely and effectively. What plans do you have to ensure that that money makes a difference on the ground in terms of lowering the cost of doing business here?
The beauty about the MTF budget for Eskom and Transnet is that it's not money allocated in anticipation of project, but it is money allocated following on the projects that have been identified. So it's money that's going to be very wisely spent. The projects have been identified. The detail has already been outlined by the President. The work is ongoing. Some of the elements of these projects have already started. And so it's money that's invested appropriately to support growth, to support development. It's going to contribute a great deal over the next 5 to 7 years in expanding infrastructure and thus lowering the cost of doing business.
Yeah, but Minister, these are huge projects. We're talking 3.2 trillion rand worth of projects, 43 projects overall. The majority of those that will be administered by your ministry. Now, a key concern for business has been leadership at the state-owned enterprises. What measures are you putting in place to make sure that those people who are and those parastatals are held accountable?
The leadership of the state-owned enterprises is very stable. It's extremely stable. Our state-owned companies are being led by extremely competent people who are very committed, and the shareholder is paying very close attention to the work that our state-owned companies are doing. We are very hands-on. We are an active shareholder, sure. And we will ensure that they are able to deliver. The establishment by the President of the Infrastructure Coordinating Commission has been a milestone in assisting us to pull together government resources, because as the Minister of Finance was saying, critical to the implementation of all these projects will be planning, costing, implementation and coordination. And so we are very confident and comfortable about the level of coordination that's being achieved.
Was there something that was missing for you in that budget?
Absolutely nothing. The Minister was spot on.